Hello guys, this is GGH Gaming. Today we got a package and we are going to open it. So you guys might be wondering what I got and how I got it. So I won a giveaway for like a $10 gift card, and I used that $10 gift card and I put it towards getting my very first smart cube. So I got the GAN I CARRY, which I heard is a really good cube. And yeah. So first off, smaller box than I expected, but I mean, I've never had a smart cube, so yeah. But I think it might be, looks smaller than my current mains box. But yeah. This is a decently new cube, so I'm interested in how well it turns and how good the Bluetooth functionality is. So in the box you have a little thing that tells you it's a GAN I CARRY, and I just named instructions. We have a card that also says that's the GAN I CARRY. We have a little box that I assume has like a bag and has all the cube and stuff. Bags, springs, or empty bag only, GTS things, and more springs. So now we got to the actual cube. This is the main thing, so we're just going to open it back up. Also good to have another box, and we're just going to get the turning. Out of the box, these like little indents feel a little weird, and the cube feels very fast. Also, you can see there's a little light for the Bluetooth functionality. The battery is supposed to last like 300 hours, I think. So it's gonna last around a year probably. So yeah, I'm really excited for this, and I hope that it is really good. So since I'm recording with my phone, I got the Cube Station app on my computer. I'm just going to click start. I think I have it connected, yeah. So we're just going to go to a match and try some things out. So let's try time trial. Okay. It's DLF. Okay, so now I have 15 seconds worth of inspection. Okay, so 14 to, okay. So now we have statistics. All my pairs are around 2 seconds. I had 3.7 TPS on cross, 3.9 on F2L, 7.1 on LOL, and 5.1 on PLL. So if you do there, then you can go there. Okay. We're gonna try training, and we'll go to algorithms. Let's do regular CFOP, and we'll try PLLs. Alright, you have to press practice. Okay, yeah. That's slow. What? So I think I got like a flipped thing, so I think I might need to reset the cube. Okay, so right now it shows that like that, but I'm like this. So how you do that? So you go back here, sync, sol sync. So now it's back like that. Okay, let's go back to algorithm thing, and let's go to A/B perm. I've always wanted to know how fast I can do this. Wait, this is an A/B perm. This is a. Oh, I've had them messed up the whole time. Am I doing the wrong algorithm? Okay. Let's try multiplayer. Okay. We'll enter this one. Okay. Ready? Try it now. Not too much. I'll just finish off the video with some time trials.